Hi everyone, welcome to my channel TaslimaMayaArt. It's really lovely to have you here. Do check out my other videos, and if you can, like, share and subscribe to support me. I just want to say a great big thank you to all of you who watch my videos, like, comment and leave any feedback for me. I'm always willing to learn from you guys as well. Clearly you have an interest in art, this is why you're here. I hope you find some value in my videos. And again, I appreciate you very much. For this week's installment on the wonderful Fluid Art Express, I am going to be doing a Tomoko style flower dip on a black base on 3 small tiles. For the lineup this week, we have the usual suspects, all the great artists that we normally have, as well as 2 guest artists, the wonderful Nathan from the Fine Art of Distraction and the lovely Angie from Angie's Fluid Art. So stay with us and enjoy the ride. Let's get to it. So I'm starting off with my base paint. This is Amsterdam Oxide Black mixed in with my pouring medium. I will put all my ratios and paints into the description box below, so do check that out. And here I have a 20 by 20 centimeter tile as well as a 10 by 10 centimeter tile. And what I'm going to be doing is actually doing my flower dip or reverse flower dip on this tile. I'll be using the larger tile to pour my paints onto, and then I'll be dipping my smaller tile on top. In terms of my colours, I'm using 4 colours in total. I'll again put them into the description box for you, and they are also mixed up with my pouring medium. I have a 5th colour here, which is titanium white, mixed in with some pearl medium and some satin enamel. A big shout out goes to Tomoko, whose channel I'll just put up on the screen and in the description box. I learned this technique watching her videos, and she does create some wonderful art, so do go check it out. So I will let you sit back and watch this and play a bit of music for you.
She said I won't be back in a while, don't wait. Already packed her bags, called the cab, made space. And she said I won't answer if you call me when you're lonely. I guess I let her go, never mind, it's too late. But I can't believe I let you slip. I think about it 7 days a week, and this just can't be how it's supposed to end up. It's not enough, and maybe time will make you fade, but I don't know if I'm ready to just let you go away like my friends think I should. Cause what if I just wanna be with you? I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do. Honestly, I can't remember if you love me, or maybe I'm just feeling lonely, I don't know. Just let her go. She got herself a guy, and he's good, no he's great. Everything she wanted packed behind the pretty face. But I kinda hope he breaks her heart into little pieces and let me pick them all back up and put them back together. But I can't believe I let you slip. I think about it 7 days a week, and this just can't be how it's supposed to end up. Cause what if you should really be with me? I wonder what the hell you didn't see. But honestly, I can't remember if I loved you, but it feels like I did when I think about you now. What if I just wanna be with you? Oh, I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do. But honestly, I can't remember if you loved me, or maybe I'm just feeling lonely, I don't know. Just let it go. But what if what the hell you didn't see. Honestly, I can't remember if I loved you, but it feels like I did when I think about you now, 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 now.
stars above are shining, then I know I'll never be alone. Then I know I'll never ever be alone.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
So that's it for now. That's my regular flower dips, 3 of them for you. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will be trying this again after thickening up my paints a bit more. So here's the flower dip. I did it with a chain pull through it as well, just to finish off. Do stay with us on the FluidArt Express. Up next is Nathan Linsell with a fine art of distraction. See you there.